morning, everyone. Today, I would like to share to you one of nature's best, the beach. Today, we're in Boracay. There are three things I love about this beach. One is the sand. The sand is so fine and it's white, and it's so good to walk bare feet. The next is the water. The water is crystal clear and clean, and even if you walk for 200 meters, the water is still shallow, maybe until your hips or your knees. So it's safe for children. And lastly, I love the food. It suits everyone's budget. There's abundance of food right here. So if you want to unwind, relax and enjoy the beach, this should be one of your short list. Thank you.